Alright guys, we're at the trailhead, the Mountain to Sea Trail, going up to on the Art Loeb Trail. We are gonna head up there and see this big old bald. Take you along for the trip. See you in a few. I'm going up the last little push to the top. Not too bad. Lots of people up here today. I think it's the first week in the spring. Everybody's been cooped up inside. Beautiful day to get out. Beautiful bald. It's a little windy today, as it is most days. Awesome view up here. You guys get a chance, come check it out. Pretty easy hike, not too bad. Little incline, some rocks, good views though. It's definitely worth the trip.
Dad, I took a shower this morning.
That's a miracle.
That's something I brag about.
That's awesome. My 17-year-old finally got a shower. $30 an hour, the same thing. It's just a short hike. Hey, beautiful. How's that one?
What?
That hike. We're almost done.
long.
How long?
A mile and a half.
There you go. She's learning. Alright, we're almost back at the parking lot from Black Balsam. It's about a mile and a half trip. Wasn't long. Good little hike up, nice pretty day outside for it. So next we're gonna head over to Skinny Dip Falls. Check that out and see you guys there. Don't forget to check out our Devil's Courthouse video that we did on this trip as well. So see you guys then.